Numericals on molarity. What is molarity? Actually, molarity means mole per liter. Moles, number of moles of solute present per liter of the solution. And also molarity can be expressed as molarity equals to number of moles by volume. So any one of this equation can be used. And the formula for using calculation for dilution equation is M1V1 equals to M2V2, where M1 V1 is the strength and volume of a known solution and the other one should be unknown solution and vice versa. Now let's solve some numericals. Determine mass of Na2SO4 10 water. This is a hydrated salt required for preparing 250 ml of salt solution whose molarity is given 0.45 molar. So what is the mass we have to find out. So first, what is the volume here given? Now volume equals to 250 ml. So in liter it will be 250 by 1000 liter and it is coming 0.25 liter. And therefore molarity equals to number of moles of solute by volume of the solution in liter. Therefore moles of hydrated salt, required equals to what? Molarity into volume equals to molarity into volume. And what is molarity? 0.45. What is volume? 0.25. And ultimately it is coming 0.1125. So moles we have calculated. So now how to convert moles into mass? Now molarity or number of moles into molecular mass. So mass of salt required equals to moles of the salt into molar mass of the salt. Molar mass of the salt. And what is number of moles? 0.1125. And what is molar mass? The molar mass of this hydrated salt is 322. You can calculate it and the answer is coming 36.225 gram. So this is the answer. Next, move to the next problem. How many moles and how many grams of HCl are present in 250 cc of 0.5 molar HCl solution? So here, 250 cc 0.5 molar HCl solution. So what is molecular mass of HCl? Molecular mass of HCl is, we know, 36.5. What is molarity? Molarity is given 0.5. Here it is 0.5. So what is the volume? Volume V equals to 250 centimeter cube. Cc means centimeter cube. Therefore number of moles. Number of moles in 250 centimeter cube equals to what? Molarity into volume. Already we know that molarity into volume in liter. So what is molarity? 0.5 and volume in liter. Actually here volume is given in 250 cc. So if you divide this by 1000, then you are getting the volume in liter, because 1000 ml or cc equals to 1 liter. I am writing here 1 liter equals to 1000 ml or 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so this information will help you. And now, so what is the number of moles? So this, and after calculation it is coming 0.125 mole. So what is the weight? Weight of the HCl dissolved. So weight of HCl dissolved equals to number of moles of HCl into 36.5. It is its molecular mass, and number of moles is 0.125 into 36.5, and ultimately it is coming 4.5625 gram. So this is the answer. Now, so I think you have understood. Now let's move to the next problem. Calculate the molarity of 10% W by W. W by W means weight by weight in a solution of density given. So what is the meaning of the term 10% W by W? Actually, 10% W by W solution means 100 gram, that is 100 gram, that is equals to 100 by density. 100 by density is 1.1 at the ml. So I have converted this mass into volume. So 100 by 1.1 ml solution contains 10 gram solute NaOH, 10 gram solute NaOH. So what is the molarity formula? Molarity formula is W2 into 1000. What is W2? It is the moles mass of solute by molecular mass of solute, that is 2 into V, and here it is 10%, so 10 gram, so 10 into 1000 divided by molarity, divided by molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. So 40 is the molecular weight of sodium hydroxide into volume. Volume means 100 by 1.1. After calculation, it is coming 2.75 molar. 2.75 molar. So in this way we can solve this numerical. Okay. Now move to the next problem. A sample of H2SO4 having density 1.787 gram per ml is labeled as 86% by weight. What is the molarity of the solution? So H2SO4, here H2SO4 is 86% by weight. It means weight of H2SO4 equals to 86 gram, and weight of solution equals to 100 gram. So what is the volume of the solution? Volume of the solution is coming 100 divided by its density. What is the density? 1.787 ml. That is equals to 100 by, we are converting this into liter, so 1.787 into 1000. So this is in liter. So now what is the molarity of H2SO4? Molarity equals to moles per liter. So what is the moles? Moles means mass by molar mass. What is the mass? Here 86 gram. So 86 by 98. So this is moles by liter. Volume of the solution in liter, and volume is 100 by 1.787 into 1000. And after this calculation, it is coming 15.68. So this is the molarity of the solution. So what is the molarity of the acid? So the molarity of the acid, therefore molarity of the acid is 15.68. So this is the answer. So we have discussed some numericals on molarity, and here I have given a worksheet on normality and molarity. Actually, in my previous video I have discussed normality. Those who didn't watch the normality video, so I am giving the link in my description box. You can see the video several times, and after that you can solve the numericals that is giving here on normality and molarity. So from the previous video you can get the information and numericals from normality, and in this video I have shared information and some numericals. I have solved some numericals on molarity. So after viewing these two videos, you can solve these numericals, and I will give the answers in the description box, and I am also giving the link of the normality video in the description box.